Alright, let's enable floating window on your Xiaomi Poco X8 Pro. It's actually very quick and easy to handle. Just follow the steps on your screen carefully and you can multitask more easily. If you find this helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon for more helpful tech tips. Let's begin.